So let's try to see what can be like a very simple algorithm which can solve object detection for us. And again, we have seen this algorithm before, not from like detection point of view, but from classification point of view. But you will see like the same algorithm can solve detection for you as well. And the approach is sliding window. We have seen this like a lot. So again, sliding window I would like to emphasize, you will see it everywhere in computer vision, because the way these algorithms work is you focus on like one point at a time, and then you have to like focus on all the other points as well, right? And sliding window is like it's a natural algorithm which can be used. So whatever you do, you will see sliding window in a lot of places. So I can just count like whatever where we have seen sliding window so far. We have seen like in HOG filters, right? We have seen in SIF filters. We have seen in like CNN architectures. Your convolutions when you use sliding window there. Okay, so I will say like almost all the algorithms we have seen so far, you have required the sliding window approach, and today as well you will see like how this is going to be useful for object detection. Okay, so a simple solution could be, if this is your input image and you want to detect like some object in this image, you can take a window, okay, a bounding box, and wherever you are placing that window, you can try to detect your object. And you know how to do that. You can just use filtering, or you can use like any other algorithm as well, but filtering is just one. And then you can just keep sliding that throughout your input image. Okay, so all the possible locations where you can place it. And then at whichever location gives you like the highest probability of detection, you can say, okay, this object is present in that particular location. So that's like a very, very simple crude algorithm which can be used. And of course, like there are a lot of interesting works out there which are actually using the sliding window approach, not just for person detection, but face detection as well, right? And HOG, as I said, like it is also using sliding window. And there are like a lot of other algorithms, just to mention these three, but it's a lot, I think used a lot in many other algorithms. Okay, so let's see how we can do object detection. And again, this we have seen, but not from detection point of view, from classification point of view. But if you think about this, this is actually solving detection for you. So this is your chair template. This is your original image. And you can just try to match this template at all the possible locations in your image. Okay, earlier we saw we can use that for classification, but now we know that this position is actually highly active. So we just put this bounding box over here and we say that, okay, chair is present at this particular location. And it doesn't matter how big your image is or how small your chair is. If you have like the perfect matching template, you will be able to localize that. Okay, so this is a like very naive algorithm which can be used. And of course, we have seen it will fail like in real world scenario, because template will change. There will be a lot of variations, even in the pose of chair, or there could be like color changes, lighting changes. But the intuition will not change, and the basic approach won't change. Okay,